Moving on with our bench vise, we're modeling another 3 parts on this video. They'll be the pin, the handle, and the bottom stop. Let's start from the pin. We'll open a new part and then activate the XY plan. Habilitate the multiple lines and go to the origin point. On the Y-axis, we'll add 2 as the measure. Then on the X-axis, we'll add the part's length, which will be 42. Now we'll add 2 as the measure again and close the geometry. After finalizing the sketch and confirming the dimensions, we'll habilitate the revolve command. Select the part's axis to be rotated and select any of the geometry's line. To round it, we'll habilitate the fillet command and we'll select 2 of the edges where the operation will happen. Then we'll add 1.5 to the radius. To finish this first part, we're going to color in material, and we'll alter its material to carbon steel. Now we'll model the handle. As we draw our pin using the revolve command, let's change it up a little bit and draw the handle a bit differently using extrusion. First, we're opening a new part file, activating the XZ plan, and habilitating the arc circle, going to the origin point. We'll add 4 as the radius value, and with the sketch still active, we'll habilitate the extrude command. At the distance field, we'll add 100 as the length. To round it, it'll be the same as we did to the pin, using the fillet command. However, the radius will be different, with 3 as its value. Now we alter the material to carbon steel, as we did to the pin, and we'll finish this second part. Okay, so far so good, and now we're moving to the last part of this video, the bottom stop. Open a new part, habilitating the XZ plan and the rectangle command, selecting the option center, and go to the origin point. On this rectangle, we'll add the length of 28 and the width of 18. Then we'll habilitate the extrude command, adding at distance the part's thickness is 4. Just like we did before, we'll round it using the fillet command, selecting those 4 edges and adding 9 as its radius. Now we need to add the hole. Habilitating the hole command will configure its format. At type, select the option countersink. At diameter, add the value of 14, and at diameter 2, 8.4, at angle 90 degrees. Last but not least, we'll set the depth of the hole, inputting 4 as its length, which is equal to the thickness of the part. After confirming it, we'll select the face where the hole starts, then the center of the hole, which can be done with the help of O-snap on the option Center of Face. To finish this part, we'll alter its material to carbon steel, like the others, and our bottom stop is complete. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.